Get ready to go on a journey back in time with Old Town Warrenton's brand new History Maker Space. Experience history with all five senses as History Unboxed brings you the evolution of crafting with hands-on classes from ancient arts like spinning and weaving to cutting-edge technology like 3D printing. Our community space will provide a rich educational environment for curious minds of all ages. So come on, join a historic board game club, take an ancient cooking class, dig in our historic garden, and more. History Unboxed is an educational company founded in 2014 to bring history to life for learners of all ages. Our founder, Elizabeth Harris, is a second-generation home educator with a background in living history. Her passion for storytelling and hands-on materials led her to create kits that spark curiosity in a new generation. Creative director Stephanie Hansen is a former public school educator with experience teaching and raising neurodivergent children. They bring their shared background to the new History Unboxed building, The Hub. In the town of Warrenton's improvement plan, the children and youth made their wishes clear. A place where they could hang out and have fun. Our family-friendly space will meet that need, along with creating opportunities for cultivating curiosity and learning. Now you can help us get the hub rolling by making a contribution or sharing our crowdfunding campaign. Our beautiful building on Culpeper Street is fully funded and ready to open this fall, but this campaign will allow us to launch a full set of programs. Help us make history in Old Town Warrenton today.